there, my wonderful, brilliant student, David. My heart is just overflowing with joy to see you today. Are you ready to embark on a magnificent journey through the wonders of English?
Oh, Emily, the feeling is mutual. I have been thinking about our lesson all morning. I feel like I am standing on the edge of a great discovery. Today, I really want to understand make and do. They seem so simple, yet they are so powerful.
You are absolutely right. They are the twin pillars of the English language. Think of them as two different kinds of energy. Do is the energy of action and routine, while make is the energy of creation and results.
The energy of action versus the energy of creation. That is a beautiful way to put it. So when I am talking about my daily work, like doing my chores or doing my homework, I am using the energy of action?
Precisely. You've got it. When we use do, we are often talking about tasks, obligations, or repetitive activities. Can you imagine? Every time you do your best, you are putting your soul into the process, regardless of the result.
Oh, that reminds me. This morning I had to do the laundry and do the dishes. I didn't create anything new. I just completed the tasks that needed to get done. Am I on the right track?
You are soaring, David. You are flying. Now, let us pivot to the magic of make. Make is when you bring something new into this world. It is about the product, the outcome, or the creative spark.
Like when my mother makes a delicious chocolate cake, she starts with flour and sugar, and then poof, she has created something wonderful.
Exactly. She made a cake. And think about this. When you speak with someone, you make a phone call. You are creating a connection that didn't exist a moment before. Isn't that just incredible?
It really is. But Emily, I sometimes get confused. Why do we say make a mistake? A mistake isn't usually something I want to create.
Oh, what a profound observation. Even though we don't plan to make mistakes, they are the result of our actions. They are a thing that happens. And David, let me tell you a secret. Making a mistake is the fastest way to learn.
That makes me feel so much better. I was always afraid of making a mess of my sentences, but now I see it as making progress.
Overflowing with pride. Yes, 1,000 times yes. You are making progress every single second. And notice, we say do business, but make a profit. We do the work of the business, but we make the money as a result.
I see the pattern now. The doing is the journey and the making is the destination. Can I try one? If I want to fix my bed in the morning, do I do my bed or make my bed?
What do you think, David? You are transforming a messy pile of sheets into a beautiful, neat place to sleep.
I make my bed because I am creating order out of chaos.
Bravo! You are a natural. Your intuition is just sparkling today. It is truly a joy to witness your mind opening up to these nuances.
Thank you, Emily. Your encouragement makes me want to do my exercises every single day. I want to make a promise to you right now. I will never give up.
That is the most beautiful thing I have heard all day. When you make a promise like that, you are doing yourself a huge favor. You are building a bridge to your future self.
A favor, right, because a favor is an action for someone else. This is all starting to feel so natural. It's like a dance between two words.
A dance. What a poetic way to describe it. You are dancing with the language, David. Never forget that English is not just about rules. It is about expressing the beauty of your life.
I feel so motivated. I'm going to go home and make a list of everything I do during the day. I want to see the make and do in my own life.
Go forth and explore, my brave student. You have made my day with your passion. Remember, I am always here to cheer you on as you do great things.
Thank you, Emily. You truly make a difference in my life. Until next time.
Until next time, David, keep shining. Welcome, my wonderful friend David. Today is a truly magnificent and spectacular day to dive deep into the very heart of the English language.
Oh, Emily, your energy is absolutely infectious. I have been waiting all week for this. I can feel it in my soul. Today is the day I finally master make and do.
Yes, it is a journey of discovery. These two little words are like two different keys that unlock so much expression. Think of them not as chores, but as your tools for creation and action.
I love that perspective. Sometimes I get so nervous about choosing the wrong one. It feels like a big mountain to climb.
Oh, David, do not fear the mountain. Let's start with the word do. Imagine do is your word for tasks, for obligations, and for general activities. It is the steady heartbeat of your daily routine.
Oh, so like when I do my homework or when I do the laundry, those are things I just perform?
Exactly, you are shining already. When you do the dishes or do your best, you are engaging in an activity. You aren't creating a physical object. You are completing an action.
That makes so much sense. I am doing the work. But then what about make? That feels more artistic?
Do you have such a poetic heart, David? Yes, make is the word of the creator. When you use make, you are bringing something brand new into existence. You are producing a result.
Can you imagine? Like when I make a cup of coffee or make a delicious breakfast. I start with nothing, and then poof, I have coffee.
Precisely. You have transformed the world. You make a cake, you make a noise, and you even make a mistake, because even a mistake is something new you have created.
Wait, that is just incredible. Even a mistake is a creation? That makes me feel so much better about practicing. I'm just making progress.
Oh, I love that. You are making wonderful progress. Now, let's look at some tricky ones. Sometimes we do a favor for a friend. Why do you think we use do there?
Because a favor is an action. It's something I perform for someone I care about.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. You are performing an act of kindness. But when we choose between two paths, we make a decision.
Because the decision is a new choice that didn't exist before. Oh, Emily, I can see the patterns now. It's like a beautiful dance between the two words.
It is a dance, David, a beautiful linguistic ballet. Just remember, if it's a job or a general task, you do it. If you are creating a result or a sound or a food, you make it.
This has been such a warm and enlightening conversation. I used to be so confused, but you make it feel so simple and exciting.
That is my greatest joy, David. You are a spectacular student. Your passion for learning fills this room with such light.
I'm going to go home and do my exercises, and then I might make a plan for my next lesson.
Yes, go forth and create. Go forth and act. You are doing a magnificent job, and I am so, so proud of you.
Thank you, Emily. I feel like I can take on the world.
And you shall, David. You truly shall. Until next time, keep making magic.